Hello and welcome again. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can generate PCAP file from your SNGREP. So I have already created another video on how to use SNGREP. If you wanted to check that video, you can check it in my YouTube channel, or I will place the YouTube video link in my description. You can also check it from there. So let's continue with this video. So as I mentioned, we are going to capture PCAP file from the SNGREP. So to do that, we are going to use the help of the VC dial. So this is the very good open source dialer, or you can say PBX server that work on the asterisk, and it's really good. So let me open to the putty first. So you can use putty from here, or you can do this like me. I don't use putty that much, so it will be sh root, then put the server IP, then hit enter. It will ask you for the password, then hit enter. Okay, we are in now. Now we are going to open the SNGREP. For that, search this SNGREP, then enter. Okay, over here, as you can see, this is my SNGREP portal, and I'm going to generate a packet over here, invite packet, so we can extract the PCAP file from there. So the options are coming, so we are going to filter it by pressing the F7 key. You can see all the functional key, which are the function of them over here. You can see over here. So let's press F7. We are going to receive only invites, so let's just disable all of them. Okay, now nothing will be show here except of invites. So let me just log in over here so we can generate a log. So okay, okay, we are logged in now. So okay, as you can see, this is the log. There is a log. Okay, the log is showing right now. If I try to make any call over here, you can do that, but I'm not going to do. So I'm going to generate another session, and it will generate another log file over there. Okay, so this is the file. We are going to open it by pressing enter. As you can see, it's showing 2 now. So we are going to open the second one. It's showing in call because my phone is still running, because I have just logged in, so it's still running. That's why it's showing in call. So click enter. You can see all the details. I already have mentioned how to read these things, but you can check that video for that. So we are going to extract the PCAP file. So to do that, just select the invite that you wanted to extract, then press space, and you will find there is a select option over here like this. Okay, now press F2 button. Okay, as you can see, the save capture dialog box is now appeared. So you can see this is the path where the file is going to be saved, and this is the file name option. You can select any file name. I'm going to give the file name called pin. Okay, pin.pcap. So okay, now you can select the dial logs over here. Like this is for all dial logs if you wanted to receive. This is for the selected dial logs. This is for the filtered dial logs. You can also select the file format and the format you want the output file. By default, it will be .pcap zip. It will be containing all these zip captures. You can select the RTP also from here by selecting this, and this is for the text version. Just scroll down and hit the save button, and it's saying successfully saved one dialogs to pin.pcap. This is the file name. So just hit accept. Okay, now we are going to open the WinSCP software. You can use any SHFTP software to log in to the your server backend. Just put the server IP over here, 5.6. put the password, and sorry, put the user ID over here, and this is the password. Okay, once you hit enter, as you can see, this is the root folder which was showing over here. So this is the root folder, and by default when you log into the with the software, it will take you to the root folder only, and this is our file. As you can see, this is our file. So I'm going to download this file, and it's going to save under my user Pintu documents folder. So let me close this thing and open my document folder, and this is the file. You can open it with Wireshark. If you don't know how to install or how to configure Wireshark properly, you can check out my video. I'm going to put the description over here. So okay, let's open it, and as you can see, all the details is getting, and it's showing over here. So you can see the ship source, ship destination. This is the detail log. If you wanted me to make a different video how to read the ship header and how to analyze the ship traffic, let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to make a separate video for that. So if you find this video any helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much.